Okay, I need to make this for accountability reasons. This is the before video, start of the growing season. This is where I dump all of my weeding and plants from the previous year. I don't like to get rid of them because I want to provide some homes for wildlife in the off season. And then here is the garden. Rocks, buckets, the berry garden. As you can see here, these are all the berries I've gotten out of control. That's a beautiful community garden, right? It's all pretty here. Very beautiful spot to garden. But yeah, so take a peek at these beds. Little wildlife pond there, pollinator garden, coming back a little bit from last year. Pots strewn about everywhere. Here are my two main raised beds where I grow my tomatoes and peppers. We'll see what we do this year. Here's my potato bed. Again, the berries taking over. I need to figure out some type of covering system. Berries, mint in the far beds over there. My quote-unquote dwarf peach trees. Here are all the trees I'm growing. A lot of ginkgos, pines, some maples in there. The other dwarf peach tree. A couple pawpaws in that green pot right there. Raspberries along the fence over there. Water collection station. My 2 barrels. More mess over here. Some flowers I planted last year that surprisingly came back up. Didn't think they would come back up, but they are. It's their bed now. Here are the little baby pawpaws. Hopefully they come back this year. We shall see. Season's still early. And then here's my red raspberries. These things are really pretty, really tasty. Crowd pleasers, right? Crowd pleasers all coming up over here as well. Kind of taking over. Again, mess over here. Hopefully some more potatoes here. Potatoes are already coming up here. Here's just some flowers and our mint bed right here. That's all there. Take that out. Mint bed is looking strong. The old mint up from last year. And then again, more raspberries over here. Gotta keep these trimmed out of their way. It's a lot. I've got to make it look prettier this year. Gotta figure out a way to make it look prettier. The aesthetics are important too, right? The aesthetics are important. Okay, so here's the before tour. Hopefully we get it together this year. I think we can do it.